guys, welcome to our channel Golden Roots. In this video we're going to show you how to style locks on kids. Sorry, we have a baby in the background, but we're trying our best to make content even while the baby is cooing, so bear with us. You want to say hi?
Hi guys, it's me as well. And I hope you guys subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.
Exactly. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe so that you do not miss content like this. So we're going to start with the styling, okay? So let's begin.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here